Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Saturday, August 28, 2021. It is 6:37 and 4 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, genetic links. So let's hop to it here. The risk of developing a disease linked to genetics tends to decrease with age. Findings may improve the ability to predict who will develop a disease based on their genome. Date August 26, 2021. Source, PLOS. People often get sicker as they grow older, but new research finds that the impact of a person's genes on the risk of getting sick actually wanes with age. The genes we inherit from our parents influence our risk for almost all diseases, from cancer to heart disease to autoimmune disorders. With new genomic technologies, scientists can now use a person's genome to predict their future disease risk. However, recent work has shown that the predictive power of a person's genetics can depend on their age, sex, and ethnicity. In the new study, researchers investigated whether the risk of developing a disease posed by carrying certain genes changes as a person gets older. In other words, they wanted to know if there are windows when people are more or less likely to develop diseases linked to genetics. They used genomic data from 500,000 people in the UK Biobank to look at how their genetics impact their risk of developing 24 common diseases. While different diseases had different risk patterns, the researchers showed that a person's genetic risk is highest early in life and then drops off for many diseases, including high blood pressure, skin cancer, and underactive thyroids. Currently, the reasons why the risk posed by a person's genes decreases with age are not clear. The researchers suspect that there may be an unknown process at work, such interactions between a person's genes and their environment that lead to disease. A better understanding of how age impacts a person's risk of developing a disease linked to their genes may help researchers make more accurate predictions about whether an individual will ultimately become sick with that condition. The researchers' work show that the way in which genetics affects your risk of getting a disease change throughout life. And for many diseases, genetic factors are most important in determining whether you will get a disease early in life, while as you age, other factors come to dominate risk. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.